Silly Sisters, Toys, and More, 97.
Hello, everybody. I am Mystical Unicorn, and I live up on Cloud Mountain. And oh no, I have a case of the disappearing hiccups. What am I gonna do? Sorry about that. I must go to Dr. Magic immediately. I hope I don't have any trouble getting there. Oh, I made it.
I have Unicorn. Dr. Magic is here to see you.
Oh, thank you. I have a terrible case of
The disappearing hiccups, I can see.
Yes, they're very annoying.
Well, right this way.
Okay, right this way. Just sit right here. Okay.
I'll be right out.
Hello, is this Mystic Unicorn?
Yes.
I have the case of the disappearing hiccups. You can probably see.
Yes. Let me go get the thing. I have the perfect thing to cure disappearing hiccups.
Okay.
Alright, I'm back.
Do you have the thing?
Yes, take this for a week and your disappearing hiccups will go away.
A whole week?
I'm afraid so.
Okay then. Bye.
Bye. Have a great rest of your day.
Can I have that?
There you go. Goodbye. Hope you're enjoying the video. Subscribe and leave a like. Also subscribe to Fox Lover 719 and Friend.